How to create a start-finish workout. Select Workouts. Select New Workout. Select Start-Finish to create a new workout using a start-finish board. Tap to select the exercises. You can select up to 12 exercises by tapping on the visual exercise cards. To deselect an exercise, simply tap the exercise again. When you've finished selecting all of the exercises for your start-finish workout, select Done. To rearrange any of the exercises, press and hold down on the 3 lines, then drag the exercise to move it. Click the red minus button to delete any exercises you don't need, and tap to add any additional exercises you want to include in your start-finish workout. Next, set the time or reps for each workout. You must set time or reps for each exercise in order to save your workout. Once you have set the time or reps for each workout, click Save. Give your workout a name and click the green checkmark button to save your new start-finish workout. Your new workout is saved and can be found in the Start-Finish section of workouts.